Hey folks, we're at a remote location. Well, really we're on the farm, but we're not really on the farm. Just show you what the all the government regulations and everything. Hey, what they're getting people to do. Well, it's a way out. Let's say. Maybe this is the future. I don't know if this will be clear enough. It's probably the future of my my limousine, my truck. Let me show you this. Now, look at this, folks. This is not a new truck. This is a truck that's 20 years old. It's a gravel truck, I believe they call that. See this? This is this here. It's a double frame. Well, here you can see that on the other side. What this guy is doing is changing U-bolts, everything, checking everything, took everything apart. This is a job, eh? It's not for the faint of heart, I'll tell you that. And really, I admire the amount of work that the guy is going through. Let me see, he's even changed this ring here. Changed this, I believe, or repainted the shackles. Airbags. I don't know if they're new airbags. I guess he's got to change that one there. But this frame goes right to the front. Let me show you. I don't know. It'll show up here. It's kind of dark up here. But he's changed. He's double framed right to the front to this steering box. See that right here? Rad motor. See, the truck sits up there, but with the regulations and everything that they have for the trucks and the inspections, they have to get all the regen and all the converters on the trucks. They have to update them, okay? And if you don't have if you got a new truck, well, you have to abide by the new regulations. But if you have an older truck, well, you don't have to abide by the newer regulations. So this gentleman, see, he's even changed the fuel lines. See that? He's got a tank on this side, tank on the other side. And they come out of in the center there. There's brand new lines to both sides. I guess there's a draw and a return. But there's a lot of work into this. It's incredible. And somebody to go through this much trouble. This is the air tank for the air brakes, and it's almost incredible, eh? And I guess, see here, this is where there's a big, I don't know if it goes right through or just on this side, and the other side, but the box sits on this, and this here was worn a little bit, was turning in this part. So what he did is he stitch welded, and when he's going to close this down, well, because that's going to lock the shaft in place, and it'll go away it goes. But see, you can have all the regulations you want, but people can't live. Like if you buy, I don't know, a new truck, 180,000, something like that, and then it's all the certifications and pests and everything else, and it makes the whole thing hard to live with. Hard to, and plus this guy does his own mechanical work, so he wasn't scared to tackle this job. Really, I admire somebody that's going to do this much work on a vehicle. It's almost incredible. Okay, hang on. Okay, this is enough of this. Thought I'd show you this because this, you don't see this every day, I'll tell you that. This once in a lifetime probably. But if I keep my truck long enough, I'll probably end up having to do this, change the frame on it. This truck's 20 years old, and I don't know, 500,000-600,000 miles on it. And now it's gonna give it a new life. He's probably get another 20 years out of it. And then he'll probably retire by then. Okay, folks, I just thought I'd show this. Really, I asked permission because I'm not on the farm. I'm at a neighbor's place. And when I see this, I said, I gotta show this on YouTube. It's almost incredible. Okay, folks, comments are welcome. And I don't know. We'll see you in the next one. There you go, folks. That's what the limousine looks like. All bared up. I think he's going to sandblast it. And boy, that's what he's gonna do. I guess he's trying that out. This is his first spin out of the garage. Looks funny, eh? A vehicle. Yeah. That's the driver there. He's going to do some sandblasting there. Okay, folks, that's it for this one.